So, as we all know, this is your host, Max, and I am eating a cold Subway sandwich. And if you've never had Subway, you really want to go and check it out. And this thing is good, and you really also want to check out a cold Subway sandwich. I mean, this thing is so good. You should really try one of these. They are, amazing good. Amazing good. Really.
Good. Hit the red button. Say, tell me, see, like.
Really. This is really amazing. This is really good as well. Mm. 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 You really better go out and check out a cold Subway sandwich and Subway.
Subway Club.
Subway Club. And try to get a sandwich just like mine, which you can get whatever you want. Just and yeah. And bye for your host Max. Bye actually runs like mine. Get it? So bye.